All right, Sam, what's your favorite improvement of the quarter?
Josh, this is mine. So we used to take 3 different bins with us when we go away, and the total weight when they were full is 50 pounds. And what we did was we condensed everything down into this one. We realized we didn't need half our stuff because we just use 3/8 trunk line whenever we do our installs. It saved us a ton of room, a heap of excess motion. And what we found is that when you had all 3 of these, we'd be leaving them all over the place. So the motion, the transportation, the time.
Excess inventory too.
Excess inventory as well. And now we could just put it on the rack next to where we're working out the back. And then when we're working out the front, we just leave it right under the dispenser and everything was right there.
Awesome. Great improvement.
Cheers, man.
Thank you. What's your favorite improvement for this quarter?
It's definitely the blue line, which we have to go out into the warehouse.
Let's do it. I'll follow you. All right. That was a quick trip out here.
Yeah. So this is the blue line. Some of the major adjustments that have been made to it. The first one being a cup dropper. Before this, we would have to just do everything by hand. You would have one person at each station, another person putting magnets, wrapping them, boxing them, doing all that. So it was a 3-person operation. We were doing about 1,000 cups an hour, which is pretty slow. So thanks to Nymo and Warren, they pushed them together. They've brought the pedal mechanism that turns them on and makes them move. It's all attached to one. And now it's as easy as taking a cup from here, putting it here. You have someone putting magnets in. It takes away from that person's job to then just fill it, box it, be done. Now I would say we're probably doing 2,000 or 3,000 in an hour easily.
Awesome. Hey, John, what's your favorite improvement for the quarter?
We pimped out that cart over there.
Show me the cart. Show me the cart.
Packaging table, and before it didn't have any of the supplies that we need, like a box cutter and tape and packaging paper, but now we got it all on there.
Awesome. Cool. What's your favorite improvement for this quarter?
Tubing extruder.
Show me. Show me.
Let's go see it. All right, so you see the roll up there? We used to have to bring it down. We'd take this piece right here, we'd stretch it over to length, and we'd cut it like that. But now we got the tubing extruder, where it automatically goes out to the 6-foot length needed.
That is fantastic. So this, I almost stole this one from you as my favorite, but.
And then we could also do a European amount, which they like about 3 feet on there. So it always goes out to the right length that you want set for the type of
Oh
dispenser.
my goodness, that is fantastic. And that's just our parts, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's our circuit board. So essentially the tubing is beer flow,
Yeah.
right? Irony.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, cool, man. Thank you. Hey, Ashton, what's your favorite improvement?
So my favorite improvement is we had a whole nother station right here, and we totally eliminated the station. It was where we packaged everything, and we have since gotten rid of the packaging, so we eliminated that process.
Why did we get rid of it?
Because it took too much time, and we didn't actually need it. We were just doing something extra that wasn't helpful to us.
No, not value add?
Yeah, there was no value added to it.
Awesome,
And it
good
made
job. Cool, thanks.
Hey Josh, what's your favorite improvement we made around the shop?
Oh, it's the coffee maker, come on. All right, so I'm completely obsessed with the coffee maker because wasting time making coffee is wasting time, or time that I don't have to do anything else. So we finally got it completely hooked up, so all you have to do is put the coffee grounds in the machine and push this button right here, and you just brew a pot of coffee. Before it was this whole long process. Yeah, it's almost as simple as it gets. Next will be a coffee grounds dispenser, but yeah, that's my favorite improvement, and it's awesome. Hey Warren, what's your favorite improvement for this quarter?
Well, we used to have to, on this machine over here, go into this menu and hit a bunch of buttons to turn magnets on and off when we run cups without magnets. What Brian did is remove all that complication, put a button on the screen where you turn it on, and when it's flashing, there's magnets running through the machine. When you don't need magnets, you just hit this button right here.
That's a great improvement, awesome.
Thanks, Brian.
Hey Davina, what's your favorite improvement?
Hi, my improvement is student emails every morning.
Yes, awesome. Hey Fernando, what's your favorite improvement?
The table.
The table, show me the table. Yeah, what do you do with the table?
It's my table for my job.
Yeah, perfect.
My tool for that.
Yes.
My tool for my job.
Guy, what's your favorite improvement for this quarter?
I wasn't here before, but I am now.
Hey Cece, what's your favorite improvement?
My favorite improvement would probably be my Knowledge in NetSuite with custom fields and being able to auto send emails for purchasing and customer service.
Boom. Kyle, what's your favorite improvement?
The best improvements that I have seen have been the implementation of additional tools and resources, including my own tape measure, razor blade, safety glasses at my own desk so I'm not walking around looking for them, and adding flags to the tool carts in the shop so
That's a
that
great
I'm
one.
not walking around spending half my life looking for a tool.
Awesome, good one.
Hey Nathan, what's your favorite improvement?
Funny you should ask. My favorite improvement is the EKD sticker update. This is the old EKD sticker we used to put on the panels. A lot of information, but really hard to read. So we made an update. It's a lot bigger, a lot more information. It's even got the CO2 and the pump PSI regulations on there. So it's been a real help for the team that actually puts the EKDs together.
Mike, what's your favorite improvement?
My favorite improvement is how many improvements we had in Q1. Check this out. Watch my thumbs.
So this is all Q1?
This is just Q1.
And what is it that we're looking at?
This is just our Lean On Me channel. So these are exclusively process improvements within the company.
And this is all first quarter?
This is just first quarter. We're about halfway through the first quarter here. All
And you're
right,
not-
now we're
you're not
finally
really
in March.
You're not really slacking on your thumb movements either.
It's dual hands and everything. Like look at
Every
this.
one of
This
those is an
crazy.
improvement.
Yeah. Some of them 2 seconds, some of them hours.
I just saw my handsome face go by.
Oh, there we go. Finally
That was
to
it.
April. When we get to some really good stuff, I'm sure somebody else is going to talk about.
So there's more in April?
Oh, yeah.
Let's
Oh,
just
it
see
just
April
keeps
real
going, man.
Jeebus.
April 9, 10.
Oh.
My thumbs are getting tired. Yesterday, today, finally.
Awesome. That's incredible.
Cheers.